the light pipes all throughout the exhibit kind of embody and represent magical, life-giving waters. So as you're exploring Fairgrounds, the light pipes are throughout all of the different spaces, and you'll experience them as flowing pieces of light. They're all in motion, so you get a sense that things are flowing, like there's water flowing around you, and you also get a sense that it's somehow important to the narrative, which it is. LED lighting is kind of the core element, and we control that lighting through custom code that we write, which we call firmware, and we load that firmware onto small computers called microcontrollers, and then those drive the lighting animations. And so those are little animations that we developed ourselves here in-house with a team of interns and help from a lot of different people who contributed. We actually tested a lot of different tubes just to see what their kind of diffusion qualities looked like and what the light qualities look like going through them. Yeah. But we found that PEX, which is used in a lot of plumbing applications, worked really well. It glowed nicely, it kind of diffused the light. You didn't see too many of the individual lighting, what we call the hot spots, when the lights kind of show through. We made a lot of custom clips and holders and widgets to kind of put everything all together. What we call the nodes, basically the junctions where this virtual plumbing comes together, are unique elements that we fabricated ourselves. They're just little kind of round discs, but they have their own cap and then a little embellishment that represents the Mermaid Star Motel at times. So there's like a little star icon on them. These weren't like really, expensive components that came from a company. These were us sort of cobbling together inexpensive materials, which was one of our goals, to use materials that were actually accessible to artists and weren't like, breaking the budget. We didn't really invent anything new with the light pipes. I think our application was unique, and the fact that how it related to the immersive experience and the background narrative was definitely very original. The restorative water that you learn about while exploring the Mermaid Star Motel has a lot to do with this Fountain of Youth backstory, which is really a story of Florida's natural resources. If you look, they're all over the place. So you find this kind of magical water element throughout the motel, like in the lobby. So it's kind of alluding all to this idea that this water is really special and that there's kind of a life-giving force behind the water. And then the pipes that you see kind of going throughout, like the different plumbings and things, they're all sort of flowing water as well.